guys, James here, Sky's Limit Car Care, and today we're going to be unboxing the CARPRO Maintenance Kit and showing you all of the items that are included with this maintenance bag. So this is the CARPRO Maintenance Kit here. Let's open it up. Everything that we have inside of this bag right now is what comes with this kit when you order it from us. So what we have is the bag itself, and we'll go over that here in a second. I want to go over the liquids that this comes with. So these are 100 milliliter bottles. Now, if you've shopped with us before, that you know that we have 50 milliliter samples of all the CARPRO products on the site. These are actually double the size, so a little bit better size for someone to try out these products, but these sizes are only exclusive to this maintenance kit. So we have the CARPRO Reset, pH neutral, no additive soap. Fantastic product for coated cars, non-coated cars, whatever you need. Echo, it is a highly dilutable, quick detailer, waterless wash, rinseless wash, clay lube, whatever you need it for. And then 2 separate bottles, one of which can be used for the Echo. And then the second batch of products, it can also be used for the PERL. Which we'll get into. So you have the Reload 2.0, that's going to be your protection capability products. Spray sealant from CARPRO. The CARPRO PERL, which actually is an acronym, stands for plastic, engine, rubber, and leather. This is going to be a dressing, so whether or not you want to dress the interior of your car, the exterior plastics, your engine bay, whatever you need. And then CARPRO Bug Out. So this is really helpful for vehicles that get a lot of bug guts. Those bug guts are pretty nasty. Once they harden on the car, the CARPRO Bug Out helps loosen those pretty significantly. So when you go over to wash them, you're not going to introduce as much damage. So you get all those products, the 2 empty bottles there. You get a CARPRO 2-phase towel, whether you want to use that for the CARPRO Reload or the CARPRO Echo. You get a big boy CARPRO Dilute, so one of the bigger bottles from CARPRO here. The CARPRO Dilute bottle has all of the measuring basically levels for dilutable products here on the side, so it makes it super easy. Just an extra bottle, something CARPRO gives you. Strap for the bag, and then these will usually come with CARPRO stickers. I don't see it in here, but our shipping team will usually put those in. And then now the bag itself. So the bag itself comes with this organizer that's going to have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 different slots for 17-ounce bottles. I know I've used this before. You can basically customize it to what you need. So these little straps can come out so you can organize it, whether you put a bag of gloves or whatever you may need for that. Really just putting your tools in the bag. It's a maintenance kit bag. It's used to hold your tools. That's basically what we're getting at. But nice bag, holds a lot, and then you get a bunch of good starter products. So basically it. If you guys have any questions about the kit or wondering if any of these products are right for you or somebody that you want to gift them to, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.